I can see two issues with this file. One is that you didn't paint the weights in the head, so the head isn't moving with the joints. That is covered in um, Module 8, Flooding Weights, page 16. So that will walk you through how to paint the weights on the head. So it shows that same thing that's happening to your head, and it shows you how to paint those weights. So you should use that. But the other thing is that the rig has been broken. As you can see, if we turn off, um, you see that the eyeball joint does not move with the head any longer. So there's two things going on simultaneously, which are separate problems. To fix the rig, what I would try to do, if we may work if we're lucky, to get that eyeball joint moving with the rig, is going back into the advanced skeleton tool and see if rebuild advanced skeleton will work. And let's go to build pose and that looks problematic. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, that seemed to help. Okay, so nope, didn't fix it. So at that point, then what I would do is toggle fit skeleton, delete advanced skeleton, and build advanced skeleton. Okay, and did it keep the weights? No, it did not. So yes, you'd have to bind it all over again, which would probably be pretty quick. So let's just go over that. Select form joints. So let's smooth bind options. Let's try geodesic voxel and turn all objects off. Turn surfaces on. Hold down shift. Select all of those. Bind skin. Okay, and then turn the objects back on. See how this is working. Oh, you've got geometry problems. One thing is your pants are split in two still. So that needs to be fixed independent of this. So let's go back before we bound skin and let's fix the pants. What I would probably do is just mirror them. Put these at 0 in the X direction. Object mode, shift right mouse click, mirror. Couch geometry is off, combine with originals on, merge border vertices, 0.001, custom, mirror. Okay, now it's one solid surface. It may have screwed up your texture, so you might need to redo that. And then, but you didn't save an archive scene file, which is how you should always send your file, so I can't test it at the moment. So let's try binding it again. Let's select all the surfaces, all objects off, surfaces, select all the surfaces. Select form joints, set smooth bind options, geodesic voxel, bind skin. Okay, let's see how he's moving now. Turn everything back on, all objects on. Okay, that's better now. Okay, that's alright. And let's see, is the head or the eyeball joints? The eyeball joints are moving with the head, however the head isn't properly weighted, so we'll need to go through and weight the head. Let's first weight all these accessories to the head. Right mouse click, paint, skin cluster, weights, and let's just flood everything to the head to make it easy. Double click here. Close this, by the way. Let's find the head. replace with a value of 1 flood. Okay, and let's do the eyes to the eyeball joints. Why are those keyframed? I don't know why. I'm going to delete the keyframes. I had delete by type channels. Shouldn't be keyframed right now, the eyeballs. And they are not centered in the eye joints. So, great. Okay, I didn't realize that. That means we have to start over again. So, let's center the eyeball joints. Let me just select all the surfaces, all objects off, surfaces. Changes to rigging, skin, unbind skin. Okay, and let's go back to the fit skeleton stage. And let's select the eyeball and let's turn all objects on. Select the eyeball on these joints. Isolate selected. Yeah, clearly that's not in the center of the eyeball. And for some reason, again, this is animated. Let's delete all by type channels. And make sure that pivot point is centered, modified center pivot. Select the eyeball, let's just make sure we have the right joint there. Outliner, reveal selected. And okay, that is the fit skeleton eye. Great. So let's select the eye first, then select that joint. Constrain point options, turn off maintain offset, add, edit, delete by type, constraints. This is all of this is in the module. I mean, if you just follow the module, I wouldn't have to redo everything. And let's reveal selected. Okay, and now let's try, let me just save a version of this. Okay, and let's see if it rebuilds advanced skeleton, if it's going to want to move the eye. Let's see. Okay, it seems like that's frozen Maya. I'll give it another minute. Okay, so just Control Shift Escape. Let's go to Maya. I don't know. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. Let's end. Yeah. Let's end task. Let's launch Maya again. Okay, so we're back to this point. What good thing I saved it when I did. Let's try delete the advanced skeleton because it's not found anyways. Let's build it again and hopefully we won't get that error. Seems like we're not getting it. Okay, great. All right, let's bind it again. Now it looks like we have joint centered in the eyes, I think. Looks like it. Okay, so let's turn everything off. Select surfaces, pick those surfaces, select form join set smooth bind options, geodesic voxel bind skin. Okay, let's test this out. Let's turn all objects back on. Okay, that seems to be working. That seems to be working. Oh, it didn't make the hand controls. Great. Okay, so let's toggle fit skeleton, delete advanced skeleton. Um, let's looks like it left some junk behind, so let's delete that out. For reference. Let's just see if there's any other. Doesn't look like there's anything else left behind. Okay, let's try it again. Nope. Still no finger controls being built. Probably something left in this file somewhere. Oh, maybe in the sets. Let's try that one more time. So let's go here. Toggle fit skeleton, delete advanced skeleton. Oh, it does delete out those sets. It's in here. What's this? Let's delete that out. Let's delete that out. Just trying to get rid of anything that maybe shouldn't be in here. I don't know. No. Well, we can just do without them because you can rotate the fingers manually from those little blue curves. So at this point I would just do that. Otherwise you can start over with a fresh fit skeleton and go from there. So let's just move forward. All objects off. Turn on surfaces. Select all the surfaces. Go to advanced skeleton. Select a form join smooth bind options. Geodesic voxel bind skin. Okay, that all seems to be working, and then you just have to do the head joints. Okay, the head has not been, it now needs to be weighted. So let's just start by, let's make all of this stuff 100% to the head. So double click and paint, replace with the value of 1 flood. And let's check the eyes, see if they have the Um, the I joints listed in here. I'll just do I star. Okay, no, they don't. So let's just unbind those. Two eyes, rigging, skin, unbind skin, and select the eye. Open the outliner. Let's get our deformation system open, and this is his right eye. So where is the right eye? Okay, eye left, eye right. Okay, here's the eye right. Skin, bind skin options. For this, we can just use closest distance because it's just one joint. Bind skin. Just make sure you use selected joint. This is his left eye, IL. Skin, bind skin. Okay, so the eye should move with the head now. We just have to fix the neck at this point. Okay, so let's select the neck. Let's shift select these joints here. I'll include the chest and this, and let's isolate selected. And then go in the front view, F, zoom in here. Let's select this vert row and grow that selection. Paint tool, and let's paint that 100% to that first neck one. So let's see, those could probably go to the chest, paint, replace with the value of 1, flood. Let's get the next two rows. This one and that one. Just seeing if that lines up pretty well with that next joint. This one, yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, and let's do that for that next neck one. I guess that'll be more like here. Okay, flood. And yeah, and then maybe just do one smooth on the head, which should be fine. So I think it's crashed. Well, mine's crashed. I don't think I can stomach doing this again. So just follow those instructions, or you could just follow the instructions of the module, which already go over all of this.